Hi, this is PR Sundar. We are making some important announcements today. The first one is the most interesting, so let us start with that. Many of you have been asking me, sir, your workshop is expensive. It's only for people who already have some knowledge in options and minimum 10 lakh rupees capital is required. Why don't you do something for retail traders like us, sir? So, for all those of you, I decided to do a complete beginner's course in options trading. It will include everything from what is derivative, what is option, what is put option, what is call option, what is margin money, what is time decay, etc. etc. The course will be a series of 50 videos and each video will be for about 10 to 30 minutes. Now, what about the fees? Few weeks before, in Twitter, I conducted a poll asking how much you will be willing to pay for the course. Many people asked me to consider charging a nominal fee. And since this is for the benefit of the beginners, I have decided to charge a nominal fee of 0 rupees. Yes, this will be a free course and I will be uploading the videos on YouTube itself. But our paid members who have been paying rupees 119 rupees per month through the join button, they will get access to the videos about 1 to 2 weeks earlier. We will start the series in another 2 weeks and there will be 2 to 3 videos per week. So the course will go on for about 2 to 3 months. Being beginners, you definitely need time to understand the concepts, but I guarantee you by the time you finish this course, you will have very good understanding of options and you will have conviction to trade. Next, we have options trading workshop. Of course, this is something I've been doing for the last many years, but recently we started doing it online. The response has been very good and we have already conducted for over 800 participants. This is an advanced workshop, so you must be good in options basics and you must have a minimum capital of 10 lakh rupees. All the strategies and firefighting adjustment strategies will be discussed in detail, and after the workshop, you will be added to a Telegram group. It will be a very vibrant community and some of them are very helpful, and also some of you ask for testimonials from the existing participants. Some people have left a message on the Telegram group itself. Some people wrote review in our website. You can click the link and visit our website for reviews. Some people also ask for my profit and loss statement. On YouTube, I have been continuously sharing all my trades and profit loss statements for each month. You can click here to watch them. If you grasp the workshop concepts very well, then it is a matter of 1 to 2 months to regain the workshop fee. You can expect 30 to 60% return per annum. That's a realistic expectation. Some people may say 200%, 300% return and they can make 25 lakh out of 25,000, etc. But let me tell you, such methods will never work consistently. One time you may gain and many times you may lose. So that kind of fake promises is given in option buying workshops. I don't give any such unrealistic images. All the details can be found in our website. The link can be found in the description below. Okay, next, the third important announcement is regarding advisory service, where we have been running the advisory service for the last 3 months and we do it through Telegram. So we have 2 advisory services, one for people with a capital of 10 lakh rupees and the second one for the people with capital of 25 lakhs. Now you may ask, sir, if I have 25 lakh rupees capital, Can I join 10 lakh advisory and take double or 2.5 times the quantity? Yes, you can do that, but in 25 lakh advisory, we give diversified positions. For example, for 12 lakhs, we give high risk positions. For remaining 13 lakh, we give low risk positions, and as and when there is a problem, so the low risk positions will be used for adjustment trade. So we have a more room for adjustments. And we are not like indoor based companies giving calls like buy for 100 rupees, stop loss 80 rupees, target 120 rupees. Most of them are future or option buying calls, and everybody loses money, and that is a fact. In 10 lakh advisory, we give only very low risk calls with hedged positions, and because people with a low capital cannot afford to lose big money. So even if we are not making big profit, it's fine as long as we don't lose any money. We did not make good profit in the very first month due to margin benefit confusion. We waived off the advisory fee for the next month. Next 2 months, the profits were really very good. And another common question I get is, sir, on YouTube also you are giving your trades. Then what is the difference between YouTube paid membership and advisory? Very simple. On YouTube, I just share whatever trades I'm taking and adjustments I'm doing, but I don't give position sizing, number of lots, margin required for each trade. Sometimes YouTube notification may come late. It's only for learning purpose. It's not for earning purpose. You can go through my trades, see how I do adjustments and understand the logic. I do not take any responsibility. Many people are still taking the trades, but they are doing at their own risk. In advisory, we give everything. How many lots you should sell, how much margin money is required, and so on. Now, how to register for the advisory? I will give all the important details now. Go to the description of this video. There you can find the payment links. For 10 lakh advisory, the charges will be rupees 50,000 plus GST. This is for annual payment. And we already have about 300 to 400 people. We will accept another 200 registrations only. For 25 lakh advisory, the charges will be rupee 1 lakh plus GST. This is also for annual fee for 1 year. And it is limited to 200 people. Because due to coronavirus problem, our team members are working from home and it's not possible to do all the administration work for more registration. So please be patient. If you miss the registration this time, we will open registration again, maybe after some time when things get normal. Number 2, this is the most important thing. You need to open an account with our partner broker. Actually, it is up to you, but you can trade with any broker. But tomorrow, if you are not able to take any trade that I am giving, we cannot do anything. I will be giving for OTM option buying calls. For hedging, I will be giving long-term options. So make sure your broker allows all these. Otherwise, you open an account with our partner broker. There are also other problems like few times I gave some trades and some people said they were not able to execute all the trades because their broker asked for additional margin. So even margin calculation differs from broker to broker. I give my trades based on zero the margin calculator. So if your broker agrees to all these things, you can continue with them. Otherwise, we recommend Zebu share broker. You can click the link in the description to open an account with them. They allow everything and they charge 10 rupees per lot brokerage, and they also provide Nest terminal, which is the best terminal. And number 3, I will be giving calls for only 90% of the margin money because remaining 10% is for collateral haircut, and we recommend investing in instruments like Bharat Bond, HDFC Liquid Fund, etc. and pledge it. From that alone, we will get about 5 to 6% return per annum. Both the advisory services will start from October series. So you have more than 25 days to open account with Zebu and finish all the formalities. Calls will be given in our Telegram channel. So if you don't have Telegram account, download and install the app on your phone or computer. After making the payment, wait patiently. Our team will add you to the Telegram group before October 1. You have to save these two phone numbers in your phone. They are my office staff. Only if you add them as contacts, they can add you to the Telegram group. If you have any queries, and don't call these numbers because they don't know anything about this, you can send a mail to support@mansonconsultancy.com and our team will get back to you. You do one thing, you go to the description along with the payment links. You can also find Google document link and open that, and you can find all the details there. We will also update anything if required. So please check the document every once in a while, and thank you for watching.